I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today in this video we will be covering chapter 13, that is surface area and volumes. So starting with our exercise 13.3, our first question says a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. We have to find the height of a cylinder. So here the radius of metallic sphere, that is R1, which is 4.2 centimeter, and this is given to us, and the radius of cylinder, that is R2, again that is 4.2 centimeter. So here we have to let the height of a cylinder, that is H. So the volume of sphere, that is equals to volume of cylinder. So volume of sphere we have 4 upon 3 into pi into R1 cube is equals to volume of cylinder we have pi R2 square H. So 4 upon 3 into pi r we have 4.2 is equals to pi into r we have 6 whole square into h. Solving this we can find r value of h. Moving further, h is equals to 4 upon 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 36. Solving this we will get 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4, that is 2.74 centimeter. So this is the height of a cylinder, that is 2.74 centimeter. Question number 2 says metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter are melted to form a single solid sphere. We have to find the radius of a resulting sphere. So here the radius of first sphere, that is 6 centimeter, radius of second sphere, that is 8 centimeter, radius of third sphere, that is 10 centimeter is given to us. And we have to let the radius of new sphere be r. So the volume of 3 sphere is equals to volume of new sphere. Further, placing the value 4 upon 3 pi into r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube we have 3 cube, r2 we have 8 cube plus r3 we have 10 cube is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 216 plus 512 plus 1000 is equals to r cube. So r cube we will find it as 1728. So r is 12 centimeter. Therefore the radius of resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. Moving further to our question number 3, which says a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is eventually spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of platform. So here the radius of well, that is 7 upon 2 meter, height of well, that is 20 meter, and the length of platform, that is 22 meter, and the width of platform, that is 14 meter. All this is given to us. So from this we can find the height, that is h. So the volume of earth dug out is equals to volume of earth platform. So volume of earth dig out is equals to pi r square h, and the volume of earth platform is 22 into 14 into h. Further solving, 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 whole square into 20 is equals to 22 into 14 into h. So now 11 into 7 into 10 is equals to 22 into 14 into h. Solving this we will get h as 1, that is 11 into 7 into 10 divided by 22 into 14. So our h value will be 2.5 meter. That is the height of a platform is 2.5 meter. Moving to question number 4, which says a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread eventually all around it in the form of circular ring width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. So here the radius of well, that is 3.2 meter, depth of well, that is 14 meter, and the width of embankment, that is 14 meter. So we can find the internal radius, that is 3.2, and external radius, that is 3.2 plus 4, that is 11.2. Moving further, we have to let the height of an embankment, that is h. So the earth dug out from the well, that is equals to volume of embankment. So pi r1 square h1 is equals to pi into r1 square minus r2 whole square into h. Placing the value, that is pi into 3 upon 2 whole square into 14 is equals to pi into 11 upon 2 whole square minus 3 upon 2 whole square into h. So now 9 upon 4 into 14, which will give you 112 upon 4h. That is 1.125 meter is our height. Moving further to our question number 5, which says a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which are to be filled with ice cream. So here the radius of cylinder, that is 12 upon 6, which means 6 cm, and the height of a cylinder, that is 15 cm. So from this, the height of a conical part will be 12 cm and the radius of conical part is 6 upon 2, that is 3 cm. So the radius of hemisphere, that is 3 cm. Further moving, let the number of ice cream of cones, that is n, and the volume of cylinder, that is equals to n into volume of cones plus volume of hemisphere. So pi r1 square h1 is equals to n into 1 upon 3 pi r2 square into h2 plus 2 upon 3 pi r square cube. Solving this, we will get 6 square into 15 is equals to n into 1 upon 3 into 9 into 12 plus 2 upon 3 into 3 cube. So 36 into 15 is equals to n into 36 plus 18. So our n value will be 10. So the number of cones filled with ice cream is 10. So guys, we will continue the rest of the questions in another video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.